if I'm asked as to what I would discuss with a young person about their futures, I think it would be not to be afraid of ambitions. Always have ambitions and enjoy them in your head, you know, and working out ways to fulfill them. And that requires imagination. So to me, let your imagination always have your respect, huge respect. Don't be scared of imagination. And that will happen in life, you know. I know there are practical things you have to do, get jobs and things, but that shouldn't ever deter you from acknowledging what you really want, you know, and finding a way to get those things and how you use your imagination to do that. Don't be afraid of standing on your own, you know, and not being part of the crowd, and respect that in yourself enormously, you know. Have courage and imagination to do what you want to do.